Good morning, everybody. I am coming on for one of the final Insurance Tips Tuesdays as it relates to the Medicare season. And I just wanted to have basically a conversation with you in the same way that I would have a conversation with my clients. A lot of times when we start the Medicare process, I start out at Original Medicare, Supplement, Advantage plan, and kind of go over the pros and cons and the differences between each of those options. But a lot of people will look at me and go, what would you do? Well, the answer is not very straightforward. It depends. Because honestly, every person's situation is different. The priorities of each individual is different, and how they want their plan to work is different. So a lot of times I walk through what that looks like. Just a couple of things, and again, this is not like all encompassing on like the pros and cons or the differences, but a few of like the highlights of like what are your priorities and how do you want your Medicare to work for you. Is the doctor network important? Do you want to be able to go to anybody that accepts Medicare, no questions asked as far as the network goes? That would be more of a supplement. Would you rather pay a little bit more and budget for that cost every month in exchange for essentially having everything that's Medicare approved and medically necessary covered aside from your Part B deductible? That would be a supplement. Would you rather have the $0 monthly premium and go towards pay your bills as you go or as you need them, which as you age are more likely to become more frequent? That would be more the Advantage plan. Are you okay with staying in network? Advantage plan. Advantage plans also have the in and out of network options as well. So you could go with a PPO, which gives you in and out of network flexibility. You just pay a little bit higher cost when you do go. What is your health right now? What is your finances right now? As we've previously talked about, nursing home coverage between the two, they both cover skilled nursing. How they do that and who gets to approve that is different. Again, I would encourage you to go back to the YouTube channel or to our podcast, both of which is called Real Insurance Made Simple, and listen to the episode with Brooke where we interviewed her. She is a director for a nursing home, and we really kind of went through those differences on how an Advantage plan versus a supplement covers those. So again, have you experienced a family member in a nursing home and you weren't happy with how that process went? Were they on an Advantage plan or were they on a supplement? Did they go back to Original Medicare? These are all good questions to really work through. Once you're in a nursing home and you are there, I know in the past nursing homes are like, try to go get a supplement to try to cover it up. Like, not cover it up. Cover the additional copay aside from what Medicare pays is what they'll advise. But once you are in there, one of the knockout questions on every supplement that I'm familiar with is, are you currently residing or staying in a nursing home? Some verbiage of in that manner. That makes a difference because you're already there. So just a few things to think about. There's no, what I would do versus what someone else would do is different. I'm not there yet. My circumstances may change 10 times between now and then. So I can't tell you where you should go. What we can do is we can have a conversation about what your priorities are, how you want your health insurance to work in order to help you come to that decision. Dental and vision, is that important? Would you rather pay for a separate policy for dental and vision? You're hearing a lot of stuff on the TV as we round out the Medicare season of you get this extra, or you may qualify for help here, or get this extra benefit. All of that plays into a factor. Is that a priority for you? Are copays okay with you? A handful of things. What prescriptions are you on? There's just a lot that goes into that decision. That is why I really, really encourage a sit down with an agent, with an advisor, to talk through what your budget looks like, what your priorities are, what circumstances are you in. Do you have anyone who's going to take care of you as you age, or are you planning for that? No one ever plans for a nursing home stay, but if it comes up, is that where you'll be? Is that coverage important? How that works? Doctor networks, as I previously said, do you want to pay that higher cost per month, or do you want to pay that $0 premium? Because there are pros and cons to each side. So I can't tell you what you should do, and I know that's not the answer that anybody hopped on here to look for, but what I can tell you is we can help you get to that answer through a conversation to help you determine what your priorities are, to help you come to those answers on your own. So we would love to help you. December 7th is the deadline to switch Medicare Advantage plans or prescription drug plans. As a reminder, those plans do take effect January 1st. December the 7th is a Saturday. Keep that in mind as you guys are coming to an end with these deadlines. I'm trying to think off the top of my head here because I'm just like trying to conversate in a way that I would with a client. But I think I kind of hit it in a nutshell. Otherwise, give us a call if there's anything we can do for you. 812-932-2200. Everyone have a wonderful rest of your week. Stay warm. It is cold this week. Another quick reminder before I hop off here. It is our coat drive. It is coming to an end this week. If you have coats you want to donate, please get them into the office this week or get a hold of me. Someone will get them picked up. We are donating those to So Loved Kids Closet, and they have a coat trailer that they help provide coats to kids in the local community. So get those in. 812-932-2200. Have a blessed day, everybody.